Hey y'all, Anson here, Ivy's Forge. Alright, so we got a woodworking project that we're going to be knocking out actually inside the house. Alright, so I'm sitting here in the living room and we're going to be knocking out this project. It's going to be maybe 2 to 3 videos, alright, as we're going through. So let's go check it out. y'all, there we go. Part 1 is knocked out of our pallet wood wall for our entertainment center. Okay, if you haven't had a chance to check out how I process the pallets to get the wood for this project, along with some of the other projects I plan on doing around the house, go ahead and head up to the corner and click on that link and check out that video. It's pretty cool. All right. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like, share. It'd be greatly honored. All right. So come back to see us for part 2 and maybe part 3. Not sure. All right. Thanks, y'all. Catch you on the next one. Bye. All right, y'all. Part 1's done. All right, dog. All right, y'all. Here we go. The frame. This is... All right, y'all. There we go. Part 1's done. Whew, that's a bourbon. All right, y'all. There we go. Part 1's knocked out of this. Fuck.